Hey friends, if scan drive for errors notification keeps appearing on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now, if it is asking you to scan drive for errors, then what do you think the solution would be? Simple, check the scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane. Type the command chkdsk space forward slash r and space forward slash f. Hit enter, press Y and hit enter once again. The next solution is to run a thorough malware scan. And how would you do that? So there is an inbuilt tool. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command mrt and hit enter. This will open the malware removal tool. Okay, and all you need to do is click on next and select full scan. Click on next and it will start scanning the system for malware and remove it if possible. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.